मैं आंसर करूंगी।
Proceed.
Are you a virgin, Miss Arora? हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए. Don't shake your head.
नहीं।
No. At what age did you lose your virginity?
ये कैसे relevant है दीपक?
Victim के कैरेक्टर को बार-बार क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है. I just thought कि एक बार सब कुछ पूछ लेते हैं, unless the prosecution has an objection.
नहीं.
किस उम्र में आपने अपनी virginity खोई?
He's 19.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
19.
You were 19. At 19, you lost your virginity, Miss Arora. At 19, Your Honor, she was an adult. Who was the boy?
My boyfriend.
Does he have a name?
Anish.
Anish. Did he pay for it?
ये कैसा question?
Just answer my question. Did he pay for it?
Why would he pay?
No, just answer my question.
आप क्या establish करना चाह रहे हैं?
I asked you a question. You promised that you would answer me.
नहीं, हम एक दूसरे को पसंद करते थे. We were attracted to each other. So पे करने का सवाल नहीं उठता है.
तो उसने आपको पे नहीं किया. He did not pay you. Did he force you?
No, he didn't force me. He didn't pay me. We liked each other. We did it because we wanted to.
Right.